Hi students, today that is on September 28th, 2020, ICAI has conducted a webinar with the students across the country. So it's an interactive session with the students. In that particular session, the Honorable President of CA Institute, Vice President of CA Institute and Board of Studies Chairman have attended along with other dignitaries. Now, I am here to explain you the highlights of that webinar in just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. So, I am just going to brief all the highlight points of that webinar in just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. The first point they have insisted is ICAI is not going to postpone November exams. Several students might have a dilemma whether November exams will be conducted as per the schedule or not. So, in today's webinar, so the dignitaries of CA Institute have clearly insisted that November examinations will not be postponed, they will be conducted as per the schedule. Exam guidelines document will be released soon, including precautions to be taken at the examination centers. That means they are going to release a document on various precautions to be taken in the examination centers. And they have said that they are going to award 100 crores of funds towards scholarships to students. And major part of the webinar goes to they have insisted that students need to upgrade their skills. Students need to learn new definitions of ABCDs. A stands for artificial intelligence, B stands for blockchain technology, C stands for cyber security, and D stands for data analytics. So students need to upgrade their skills. Students need to adopt these new technologies. In future, students may need to even do their audit using these technologies. That's why students shall start upgrading themselves with respect to latest technology. So CA Institute is going to do valuation through digital marking. So step-by-step valuation and totaling will be done in digital mode so that totaling errors can be eliminated. And ICAI is going to declare exam results 50 days in advance. That means due to digital valuation, the valuation time will come down by 15 days. And ICAI is going to declare revaluation results within 15 days from the date of application. So through digital valuation. So because of digital valuation, students are going to get benefited from this. Making major changes in the aspect of industrial training so as to improve the quality of the same. CA Institute is going to make major changes in the industrial training so that it will be beneficial to more number of students. And they have said that they are conducting ITT orientation GMCS classes through virtual classes. They have also said that ICAI is conducting live virtual classes to CA students. So live virtual classes recorded till now have reached 2 crore views, and the highest views they have got for a video is 1,20,000 for a single class. And they have also said that ICAI is going to revise the study materials, and there will be approximately 50% increase in the number of problems in the revised study material. They have opined that it is a good thing if there is an open book exam for all the subjects at all the levels. I think it is a hint that in future more number of exams will be open book exams. Right now, there is only one elective paper in CA final in which open book exam is being conducted. I think in future more number of examinations will be conducted through open book examination. So these are the major highlights they have focused in this webinar, and the major chunk of the webinar they have discussed about latest technology. So digitalization, new age technologies, and how students need to adapt to these new age technologies. Students must upgrade their skills. So these are the major areas they have focused in the webinar, and remaining areas I have already explained, which were discussed in the webinar. I hope students will like my attempt to cover the entire content of webinar in just a matter of 5 minutes. If you like this video, so please subscribe to the channel so that it will encourage us to do more number of videos of this nature. And don't forget to click like button. Thank you.